Hello guys and welcome back. I am coming on to play with my She's Crafty kits. I am on day 17. I'm using Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, her previous series 13, I believe. And let me quickly run you through the kit I have now. I've done a complete get my kits together and all of that, prepping for. But I've got a piece from Minte here. I've got, is this Simple Stories? Another Simple Stories piece, very Christmassy. This looks like it would be great for die cuts. I've got a simple vintage 'Tis the Season piece. Okay, then I have got wood veneer and acrylic pieces that read cozy. We have a sticker sheet that's almost full. I have got way too many alphas. I've got these pretty gold ones from Pink Fresh and Pink Paisley. Got a cute little frame. Ooh, I hope that'll work. Washi, gold stars, sequins. Oh, but wait, I have got some wood pieces to decorate up and these beautiful crepe paper die cuts and enamel dots. So guys, I have lots of things, right? Let's look at the sketch. This is from Bookishala. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's cute. Or Book Ishala, I don't know. So we've got, and guys, I know it's a terrible printout, it's fine. We've got a matted layout, great. We have got what looks like the picture areas, a title, and embellishment clusters, and a nice visual triangle. I can do that. This is one of those sketches you can use for anything. So thank you for the great sketch. Oh, and that's the designer's name. So we have that. I'm going to put the goodies aside because, we'll have fun with those in just a little bit. Now, it is a matted layout. The problem is, let me show you my photo. This is an old photo. This is my oldest daughter. She had the most golden color hair. And this is myself. We're at my mother's old house and it was on Christmas and we were getting a nice little snuggle. So that's going to work for my word cozy. I'm going to come up with a title where cozy can be in it. Now, I'm not really wanting to bring this limey green in, I don't think. These are my choices, and they don't really go together if I do that. Definitely want the wood piece. So, I'm a little conflicted about this situation. I do like some of these Santa pieces, so I want to use that for die cuts. So I'm not gonna be able to mat the whole thing, but I'm gonna do this pretty heavy mat, like all the way to there, and then possibly have this piece on as well, like that. Great. I have this good little frame here, and we can do that, and that's gonna really show us off. Perfect. I have to decorate my little wood pieces, so I'm gonna spend a little bit of time doing that while I watch a nice show. And I've got all kinds of gorgeous die cuts and little pieces to just finish this off. Super simple sketch. So I think this will come together like bam. It's gonna be great. And then let's see. I definitely want to cut this piece. And guys, I never cut a straight line, so let's try not to judge too much. I just don't have such capabilities and I don't profess to have such capabilities. I like this big dramatic star. It looks rather metallic. That would be a cool element. Let's see, eggnog. I do have a cup there, so that would be kind of a cute idea to have that as one of my little, we might not even be able to read it by the time I'm done, but I like to grab fun elements. I like this holly and berry. So that's one of the things I love about cut apart sheets is I always find little bits that grab me. Love that deer piece. Ooh, I might be able to use this piece as well. Okay, so I've got some nice big elements to work on. I've got things I need to decorate up, all that kind of stuff. I just dropped my little acrylic pieces. Oh, Lordy. Okay. So I've got lots of things to get started on, guys, and I'll meet you back here when I have some traction. So I've started to place some of these things down. I don't have anything stuck down. I think I want to have a nice little cluster here. I have colored all my wood pieces, and guys, the last couple of videos, I forgot to bring in my flare, and I'm supposed to be culling the flare. So this is a newer set from Scrap and Happy Studio, just from this season, and look at how nice the colors go with this. So I think that would be great. Let's grab a few of them in. Now, this is just one of those things I tend to do. We're at my mother's house, so I'm going to grab the house. I'd like a Santa and a stocking. So things that look really similar to the photo that can help tell the story, I think are going to be my ticket. Now, these are the canvas flare. They're super awesome. I'm not going to need this popped out on the back this time, but I will actually save that for something else. I have this little block that I do all my sticker stuff on, and I leave those kind of things on there, and it just totally works out. Now, I don't have a plan yet. I haven't even taken off the masking yet on these wood pieces. I was just starting to get the vibe. All right, we decided on the stocking. So I can get that up into this cluster, I think. And then which Santa? They're so cute. Now she's standing, so I think I'll do a standing Santa. That might be really cute over in this cluster. And then I'll put it with my little bit of Christmas flair that I currently have. So I'm going to get all of these pieces down. Now my cozy has these little acrylic bits that go in it. And it also has these little stars, these little hearts. If the hearts work, they do. If not, I can use them for something else. I've got a little bit of washi I'll try to work in. I've got these little golden stars. And then, guys, I have enamel dots. Oh, but wait. Oh my gosh, I forgot about these pieces too. So I'm going to bring maybe some of these little bits here after I get everything stuck down. And I have to do cozy. So I think I'll have cozy Christmas for my title. So I'll get that on before we're done. I've got a couple pieces with this gold metallic on it, so I think that would be really good with that. And then we'll see where the stickers can go once we get a little closer, but I need to get these pieces down before they shift too much. So I did end up just going ahead and finishing it while I was on a phone call, layered up lots of pretty things. I've got shiny stars and enamel dots. I've got my acrylic pieces tucked into the wood. Here is my title, Cozy Christmas. Fun little flair, and that's what I have today. So I'm going to go ahead and have a few still shots to follow, guys, and I will be back ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.